Hello everybody, welcome back to One Twist Tip. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can check who you liked on Tinder. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. So now in here, to like someone, you can just swipe it to left, and to dislike someone, you can just go ahead and swipe it to right side. Okay, this is how you like and dislike someone on Tinder. So there is no such function to check who you liked. Tinder does not have this feature updated on this application. So I hope you guys found the video to be informative and helpful. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.